Hey guys, this is Chani and welcome back to my channel. And as you know, in my last video I have talked about how to create walls in 3ds Max. Also I have told about how to create inner walls by adding edges to the outer walls. So that was very important. Now we will go one step ahead and we will see in this video how to create openings for doors and windows in 3ds Max. As you can see, I have already shown one of the opening. So we will see how do we create such openings in our 3ds Max plan. For that, let us go to the top view. So by looking at this, we do have a knowledge where do we have to put windows and doors in our plan. So let us see first how to provide door opening. So for that, I'm going it back to the wireframe mode so it is easy to know the position of the door. Now you have to select the walls. Right click on it and convert it into editable poly as we did for the last time. So after converting it into editable poly, we have to go to edges as we have to create edges for the openings. So we will click on edges and select the horizontal edges of the wall, in which of course we need an opening. So we will go to perspective and select the bottom and top edges of a wall. To be very precise, horizontal edges. Now since we have to create vertical edges, we will just right click on it and we'll go to connect. Now for door, as we can see, we need two edges. So here we will provide two and click on this tick. Now as you can see, we have created the vertical edges of the door. We'll go back to top view and simply select this edge and move it to the door position. Want to be very precise, just zoom it and place it. Yeah, we'll just see by going it to perspective if it is done correctly. As we can see, it is correct. So again go to top view, select another edge and simply move it to the door position. Yeah, same way we will just check. It is always better to check while doing it rather than checking it later on. As you can see, we have placed both the edges correctly. We'll go back to top view. Now we have created the vertical edge, but to give an opening we need one horizontal edge also. Now to create horizontal edge, we'll select the vertical edge of the doors, right click on it and connect it. Since we need one horizontal edge for creating a door opening, we'll put here one and simply tick OK. Go to front view. Now there is one interesting thing. How do we see the height here? So we'll go to top view and create a box of the size of the door opening required. So I have created one box and I'll modify the size from here. I'll give the length. Okay, so this is my box of the required size of the door. I'll go to front view again, and as it is on the same surface as of the plan, we'll simply move it horizontally. There is no need to move it vertically. We'll go to top view and we'll just adjust it. And now we are in front view. As you can see, this is my box that I have made of the same size of the door opening, and this is my wall with this horizontal edge that I have created to create an opening for door. So simply I will select that, right click on it, and every time remember to work on it, you have to convert it into editable poly so that you can edit it. Actually go to the edges, select the horizontal edges that you have made. So these are my horizontal edges. Again go to front view and move it to the required height. This is very accurate. I'll go to top view, and for now I'll just move this box. I don't need it now. Now I have to create opening here. I have created already my edges that are required to create the opening. I'll simply click on it, right click on it, convert it into editable poly. Now since this is a plane, so I'll go to polygon. I'll simply select the outer face of the wall and delete it. Similar way I'll select the inner face of the wall and delete it. So now with that you can see this face is also deleted. Now to create the face of the opening, we'll go to border, we'll select it. So as you see, I have selected the border. Scroll down here and click on bridge. Okay, now as you see the face of the wall, all the 4 faces have been created. Now one important thing, that for door we don't need this, so simply go to editable poly, click on this, simply click on the bottom and delete it. So this is how you create opening for doors. Now go to the top view and we will see how to create openings for window. So I'm going to show you for this window. For rest of the window you can practice and mention in the comment if there is any problem. Now similar way I have to create first vertical edges, so I'll go to edges and select the horizontal edges of the wall, right click on it, connect, and as I need 2, I'll give 2 and click on OK. I'll go to top view and place it at the window position. Simply select it and move it. The same way select the other edge and move it to the other corner of the or face of the window. I'll again go to perspective. Now as I have to create horizontal edges for window, I'll select the vertical edges, right click on it and connect. 2. Now we need top edge of the window and bottom edge, so here we'll give 2 and click on OK. So we can go to the left view and see if it is done correctly. As you can see, it is done nicely. Now since the height for the window, top height for the doors and windows will be same, I can use my same box that I have made for the top height of the window. I can simply drag that box and place it here in front of my window. Select your model, right click on it and again convert it into editable poly. Go to edges, select the top edge, go to the left view again and simply drag and place it there. Now come out of it, select your box, go to the modify panel and change the height of the box, and as we know the height of the window is 4 feet, we'll give here 4 feet and drag it to the top edge of the window. Now this is my created edge and this is the actual sill height of the window. So I'll again go to my model, convert it into editable poly, go to edges, select the bottom edge of the window, again go to left view and simply move the edge and match it with the bottom of the box. So this is how I have created my window. I'll simply come out and move the box. So this is my window. So this is my actual size of the window. I'll again click my model, convert it, and delete the window outer face and then the inner face. We'll see if it is done correctly. Yeah, it is done correctly. Now the same way, now as you can see, again these are the hollow walls. Now to create the face of the wall so that we can put a window, we'll go to border and we'll click on the edge of the windows, and again the same way we'll scroll down and click on the bridge. You can clearly see the difference. My face, all the faces of the wall has been created. So this is how you create openings for doors and windows in your 3D model. And I know this is not the easiest way to do it, but yes, when you do the high level editing, when you need to edit your model, these are the commands that you need to know. The simple way of creating doors and windows might not help when you are editing your model, but once if you know these commands, it is very easy to modify and customize your models as per your requirement. So these are the important commands. So I hope you like this video. This helps you, benefits you, and if it does so, please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon, as it is going to notify you for my further videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.